Hello everyone. So guys, finally wait खत्म. JEE Main 2026 सेशन 1 की आंसर की और रिस्पॉन्स शीट ऑफिशियली आउट हो चुकी है. There is a public notice issued by National Testing Agency on 4th of February 2026. That means today itself. It says that there is a display of provisional answer keys and recorded response sheet for answer key challenge of JEE Main 2026 session 1. The provisional answer keys of paper 1 along with question papers with recorded response have been uploaded on the website jemain.nta.nic.in for interested candidates to submit challenge to the provisional answer keys, if any, online by paying non-refundable processing fee of rupees 200 per question challenged as per the procedure given in Annexure 1 during the period mentioned below. Herein you can have a look. So, the duration of answer key challenge 4th of February 2026 to 6th of February 2026 up to 11:50 p.m. Paper number 1, BE BTech basically. The payment for the processing fee may be made through debit card, credit card, net banking till 6th of February 2026 up to 11:50 p.m. No challenge will be entertained without receipt of the processing fee. The fee towards the challenge will not be accepted through any other mode. No challenge will be accepted after 6th February 2026. It's clearly mentioned over here. Also, they have said the keys finalized by the experts after the settlement of the challenge will be final. So, make sure about this particular thing. Now, the procedure for challenge of the answer key, you need to visit the website jemain.nta.nic.in, click challenge regarding answer key, log in with your application number and password, enter the captcha code as displayed and submit. Click challenges regarding answer key. You will see the question ID in the below sequential order of JEE Main 2026 session 1 like this. Now, the ID next to the question under the column correct option stands for the most appropriate answer key by NTA. If you wish to challenge this option, you may use any one or more of the option IDs given in the next 4 columns by clicking the check box. ठीक है, ये सब प्रोसीजर है. You may upload the supporting documents also, for which you can select choose file and upload all the documents to be put in a single PDF file. After clicking your desired option for mathematics or physics or chemistry for paper 1, BE or BTech, scroll down and save your claim and move on to the next screen. You will see a display of all the option IDs you have challenged. Click on save your claim and pay fee finally. Select the mode of payment and pay a non-refundable processing fee at rupees 200 for each question challenge. Make payment through debit card, credit card और net banking. So NTA ने साफ साफ आपको बता दिया है कि 200 रुपए आपको देने पड़ेंगे हर एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन को चैलेंज करने के लिए and it is non-refundable. So अपना ये जो चैलेंज आप पुट करेंगे, if in case there is, make sure that you do it with all the authentic documentation to be contained in a single PDF file. So dear ones, आंसर की से मैच करके अपना रॉ स्कोर कैलकुलेट करो. अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में गलती लग रही है तो चैलेंज विंडो ओपन है, लेकिन सिर्फ कब तक? 6th of February तक. टाइम बहुत कम है, इसलिए डिले मत करना. अपना स्कोर नीचे कमेंट्स करो, मैं रिप्लाई करूंगी कि वो सेफ स्कोर है या नहीं. सब्सक्राइब फॉर द मार्क्स वर्सेस परसेंटाइल एनालिसिस.